Today I'm going to be reviewing Superjare's 102-inch sofa table with 2 power outlets with USB-C ports. It's 5 inches deep, so it's very narrow. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Let's take a look at this and see what we got. As you can see here, you've got power on 2 sides of the table. It is super thin, but really nice. This actually fits my sofa perfectly. I only plugged in one side because I am not far enough over for the cord to reach, but this is what it looks like underneath. You could probably do a better job than me, but it's plugged in and the power works nice. Now, as far as putting this together, it's not a quick thing, but it's not hard. It's actually labeled really well. There are the screws right there. Everything has a sticker on it to let you know how to put it together very easily, even the boards. This ended up being perfect for me behind the sofa, and I really wanted something that was narrow. Now, this does come with these loops that will prevent it from tipping over. One of the nice things about this is not only is it inexpensive, it is an Amazon choice. It looks really nice. It gets 4.5 stars, over 400 reviews, and last month 1,000 plus of these were bought. So people are buying it, people are liking it. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.